Hello everyone, this is video instruction how to write Urdu language from English alphabets. This is the website mayrapakistan.com. It's mayrapakistan.com, and here's there's a website. You can go on there, and on the main page you can click on write in Urdu right here. So you're gonna go there, and we are here. And for this you don't need any keyboard layout or also any skills in Urdu to write that, so you can just write, as we can see, U or DU. It will convert that into Urdu after you do space, and so that's Urdu right here. And then we can write something like AAP up mean and KA. So as you can see, it's automatically converting that into Urdu from English alphabets to Urdu, so you don't need to do anything, learn and find the words and letters and worry about it. Software, and it's free, and you can also copy this into your email. You can do in the chatting online, you can write on there. And also like to mention that Urdu alphabets are close to Persian and Arabic, so it's pretty close to Arabic and Farsi too, so you can write that. And you can see, if I can go backspace, and you can just change the letters from there, and then pick if you mean this one of them. If you don't know, then just leave it like that, and that's it. And I'm just gonna write the website in Urdu and see if it comes out right. MAY Pakistan, and yep, that's Mira and Pakistan. So if you have any good use out of it, leave me a comment, or if you have any questions, give me a question. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching.